Here I've got Philips X818 and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at the very beginning you have to select the language that you would like to have your device in. As you can see here you've got the whole list of languages and I will stay with English, so simply click on next. Now you can insert your SIM card if you want to, but you can also do it later, and this is what I will choose, so just click on skip. Now you can copy your data from your previous phone if you want to, but I will set up this one as a new one. And now you can log in with your Google account if you want to. Obviously you can skip this step, but it comes along with plenty of useful features, for example backup. So I will log in with my Google account, which is HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And then click on next. And now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, so just click on next. And now it's time to come along with all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also the whole privacy policy. And if you agree with all the conditions, click on I agree. And as you can see now, you've got the Google services. Click on next to apply them. You can also set up payment info if you want to, but I will skip it for now. And also if you want to, you can add some other email address if you want to, but I don't want to. I will stay just with this Gmail. And now you can set some protection, so you can use fingerprint, pin code or pattern, but I will also skip it for now. It can be done later, so skip anyway. And as you can see, you can also restore your apps and data from one of the following devices, but I don't want to do it. As I told you, I want to set it up as a brand new one. And that's it. Now you can use your device normally. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.